Now let's solve question 4 of exercise 6.3. Question 4 is in figure 6.42. This is figure 6.42. Lines PQ and RS. This is PQ and this is RS. These two lines are intersecting at a point T such that angle PRT, this angle is 40 degree. Angle RPT, this angle is 95 degree. And angle TSQ, this angle is 75 degree. Find angle SQT. This we have to find. First of all, see what is given. Before moving to the solution, first we will see what is given. Given is right here. Given is angle PRT is equal to 40 degree. Angle RPT is equal to 95 degree. And angle TSQ is equal to 75 degree. Now write to find. What do we have to find? We have to find angle SQT. Now, proof. Proof is for finding angle SQT, you know that if in this triangle, in triangle SQT, if you know this value, this is already given, then by angle sum property, you can easily find. Now, how will you find this angle? See, this angle and this angle, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Why? Because PQ and RS, these two lines are intersecting. So, these two angles will make a pair of vertically opposite angle. Now, for finding this angle, you can apply angle sum property in this triangle PRT. For triangle PRT, if you are applying angle sum property, then you can easily find this angle. And after knowing the value of this angle, you can easily find this angle by vertically opposite. And when you know these two values, then you can easily find the value of required angle. So we move like this. For triangle, I am writing for triangle PRT, angle first write angle RPT plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum property. Now, what is angle RPT? RPT is 95 degree. PRT is 40 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Now, solve. It will give you 95 plus 40. It will give you 135 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Now, angle PTR is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. And it will give you 45 degree. This is the value of angle PTR. But you have to find the value of angle SQT. Now, how will you proceed? See, this angle, this you have found angle PTR. This is 45 degree. Now, you can write angle PTR is equal to angle QTS. These two angles are equal. Angle PTR is equal to angle QTS. Why? Reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay. So it means angle QTS is 45 degree. Now apply angle sum property for triangle TQS. For triangle TQS, first of all see QTS, this angle, angle QTS plus angle TQS plus angle TSQ is equal to 180 degree, and reason is angle sum property. Okay, now you know the value of angle QTS, that is 45 degree, angle TQS that you have to find plus angle TSQ. This is given to be 75 degree. Whole equal to 180 degree. Now solve the value. Find the value. 45 plus 75. It will give you 120 degree plus angle TQS is equal to 180 degree. So TQS is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree and it will give you 60 degree. This is our solution. How easy it is. First, we found this value by angle sum property of triangle. Now this angle and this angle is equal by vertically opposite. Now apply angle sum property in this triangle and it will give you the value of angle TQS that is equal to 60 degree.